हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एमपी सिविल जज जुडिशियल सर्विसेज का प्रिलिमिनरी एग्ज़ाम 2015। इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द एप्रोप्रिएट रिट इशूड बाय द कोर्ट्स टू क्वेश द अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ अ पर्सन टू अ पब्लिक ऑफिस इज दैट ऑफ। तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज क्वो वारंटो, मीन्स व्हाट इज योर अथॉरिटी। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज, where a law is made by a state legislature on the subject enumerated in the concurrent list with the assent of the president repugnant to the earlier law made by parliament then the law so made by the state। तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, shall prevail in the state। इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 254 सब क्लोज 2 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ India। Next question is, according to the Constitution of India, the term district judge shall not include। तो इसका आंसर होगा CJM, चीफ जुडिशियल मैजिस्ट्रेट। इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 236 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच राइट इज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट बट नॉट अ फंडामेंटल राइट। तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी, राइट टू होल्ड प्रॉपर्टी। राइट टू होल्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट अंडर आर्टिकल 300A of the Constitution of India। Next question is, equality of opportunity in matters of public employment। तो इसका आंसर होगा आंसर ए, is available to all the citizens of India। इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 16 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन कनेक्शन विद द सूट बाय एन इंडिजेंट पर्सन द सूट इज डीम्ड टू इंस्टीट्यूटेड ऑन द डेट। तो इसका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज when the application for leave to sue as a pauper is made। इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं ऑर्डर 33 ऑफ द CPC। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, whether the pendency of a suit in a foreign court will preclude the courts in India from trying a suit founded on the same cause of action। इसका आंसर होगा नो, आंसर इज नो। एट दिस, the provisions of res judicata also applies to the execution proceedings of a decree। तो आंसर इज ए, यस। एक्सप्लेनेशन 7 to section 11 of the CPC के लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, इन द केस ऑफ अ पब्लिक न्यूसेंस अ सूट फॉर डिक्लेरेशन एंड इंजंक्शन मे बी इंस्टीट्यूटेड बाय। इसका आंसर होगा ए, दैट इज 2 persons with the leave of court। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, where the appellant has withdrawn the appeal preferred against a decree passed ex parte, the application under order 9 rule 13 of the CPC shall be। तो आंसर होगा मेंटेनेबल। इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं भानु कुमार जैन वर्सेस अर्चना कुमार का केस आप रेफर कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, where a minor on attaining a majority if a sole plaintiff apply that a suit instituted in his name by next friend by dismissed on the ground that it was unreasonable or improper। The answer is C, that is yes। Next question is, where the decree is for the petition of an undivided estate assessed to the payment of revenue to the government, the partition of revenue to the government, the partition of the estate in accordance with the law for the time being in force shall be made by। Answer is the collector। Next question is, no order for detention of the judgment debtor in civil prison in execution of a decree for the payment of money shall be made where the total amount of the decree does not exceed। So the answer is section 58 CPC को आप रेफर कर सकते हैं और आंसर इसका होगा C, 2000 रुपीज़। प्लीडिंग मीन्स आंसर इज बी, आप रेफर कर सकते हैं ऑर्डर 6 रूल 1 CPC को। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ऑर्डर रिजेक्टिंग प्लेंट अंडर ऑर्डर 7 रूल 11 ऑफ द CPC। सो आंसर इज ए, सेक्शन 2 सब क्लोज 2 ऑफ द CPC। नेक्स्ट इज, प्रोविजंस ऑफ सेक्शन 53A of the Transfer of Property Act 1882, the rights of following transferee for consideration shall not be affected। Answer is C, who has no notice of the contract। A lets a farm to B on condition that he shall walk 100 miles in an hour. So इसका आंसर होगा आंसर ए, द लीज इज वाइड। और आप रेफर कर सकते हैं सेक्शन 25 ऑफ इलस्ट्रेशन ए ऑफ टीपीए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज if the tenancy of an immovable property is monthly, then in order to terminate the lease of it, a notice of which period shall be given? So answer is D, that is 15 days. Next is section 9 of the TPA provides that section 9 of the TPA provides that answer is B, transfer can be oral or without writing also. Next is under the TPA, if the donor dies before acceptance of the gift by donee, answer is B, the gift is void. Next question, under Indian Contract Act, an agreement which is enforceable by law at the option of one or more of the parties thereto, but not at the option of the other or others, is answer is D, that is voidable contract. If the time of the performance of the contract is essence of the contract and the promisor fails to perform the contract by the specified time, so answer is D, the contract becomes voidable at the option of promisee. इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं सेक्शन 55 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अंडर द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट एन एग्रीमेंट टू रिमेन अनमैरिड, आंसर इज सी, दैट इज void. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज A hires a carriage of B. The carriage is unsafe though B is not aware of it and A is injured. So answer is B. B is responsible to A for the injury. Next question. A proposal when acceptance becomes a promise. Answer is A, 25 का A. रेफर कर सकते हैं सेक्शन 2 सब क्लोज B of the Indian Contract. Under section 6 of the SRA, suit by person dispossessed of immovable property shall not be brought. Answer is B, after the expiry of 6 months from the date of dispossession. Next is an injunction granted during the pendency of a suit under section 37 of the SRA and 1963 is known as temporary injunction. Next is an order of decree under section 6 of SRA is neither appealable nor reviewable. Next question is under the Limitation Act, the period of limitation for a suit by a landlord to recover possession from a tenant after determination of tenancy is, answer is D, that is 12 year. और इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 67 ऑफ द लिमिटेशन एक्ट। Any suit for which no period of limitation is provided elsewhere in the schedule of the act, the limitation period would be. So answer is B, that is 3 years. और आप इसके लिए रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 113 ऑफ द लिमिटेशन एक्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अंडर द लिमिटेशन एक्ट, पीरियड ऑफ लिमिटेशन फॉर सेटिंग असाइड एन एक्स पार्टे डिक्री इज, सो आंसर इज बी, दैट इज 30 days. और इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं आर्टिकल 123 ऑफ द लिमिटेशन एक्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज अंडर एमपी अकोमोडेशन कंट्रोल एक्ट, एसेंशियल सप्लाई एंजॉयड बाय अ टेनेंट इन रिस्पेक्ट ऑफ अकोमोडेशन लेट टू हिम is cut off by the landlord who will make an order to restore such supply. So answer is C, that is rent controlling authority, section 38 of the MP accommodation act. अगर लैंडलॉर्ड जो है अकोमोडेशंस की जो बेनिफिट टेनेंट ले रहा है अगर वो काट देता है तो उसकी एप्लीकेशन जो है रेंट कंट्रोल अथॉरिटी के पास जाएगी। अंडर एमपी अकोमोडेशन एंड कंट्रोल एक्ट एन अपील शैल लाई अगेंस्ट द ऑर्डर पास्ड बाय रेंट कंट्रोलिंग अथॉरिटी टू बी, सो आंसर इज बी, दैट इज डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज। और दिस इज मेंशनड इन सेक्शन 31 ऑफ द एमपी अकोमोडेशन एंड रेंट कंट्रोल। Under MP Accommodation Control Act, the landlord gets entitled to get the house vacated from the tenant if he did not use it continuously for, answer is C, that is 6 months. Or this is mentioned in section 12 subclause 1 of D of the MP Accommodation and Rent Control Act. Now next question is when a landlord has acquired any accommodation by transfer, he cannot bring a suit for eviction on the ground specified in clause E or F of subsection 1 of section 12 of MP Accommodation Control Act until answer is A, 1 year has not elapsed. Next question is, the provision of Chapter 2 of MP Accommodation Control Act 1961 will not be applicable to a newly constructed house for a period of, that is answer is A, that is 5 years, or this is mentioned under section 4 of the MP Accommodation and Control Act. Next question is, where a dispute arises between a state government and a person with regard to a subject mentioned in section 57 of MP Land Revenue Code from the date 13 December 2011, it shall be decided by, that is state government. Answer A, that is state government. Next question is, under MP Land Revenue Code, who will decide the dispute relating to demarcation and maintenance of boundary lines? So answer is C, that is collector. Next question is, under MP Land Revenue Code, a Bhumi Swami cannot lease any land comprised in his holding for more than 1 year. So answer is B, during any consecutive period of 3 years. Under MP Land Revenue Code, Wajib ul Arj of a village is maintained by the, so answer is C, that is Sub Divisional Officer, SDO. And रेफर कर सकते हैं आप 242 सेक्शन MP LRC. Next is, under section 11 of MP LRC 1959, who is not a revenue officer? That is revenue inspector. Option B. Under Indian Evidence Act 1872, the provision of relevancy of oral admission as to contents of electronic records is provided under. So answer is B, that is section 22A of Indian Evidence Act. Next question is, under the Indian Evidence Act 1872, which one of the following is not essential condition for admissibility of dying declaration? That is B, person making statement must be under expectation of death at the time of making such statement. रेफर कर सकते हैं आप सेक्शन 32 ऑफ द इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, सेक्शन 159 ऑफ द इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट प्रोवाइड्स फॉर, that is witness can refresh his memory. Option C. Next 46, A is tried for the murder of B by poison. The fact that before the death of B, A produced poison similar to that which was administered to B is, that is B, relevant. And illustration B of section 8 of the Indian Evidence Act. Next question is, exception to admissibility of hearsay evidence is, admissibility of hearsay evidence की exception क्या होगी? So that is 32 dying declaration of the Indian Evidence Act. Next is, under section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act, the fact discovered means the knowledge of the accused as to the object and the place. Under Indian Evidence Act 1872, motive becomes more relevant in a case based on, that is circumstantial evidence. Option B. Under Indian Evidence Act 1872, evidence of hostile witness, option is D, that is it can be relied only by the prosecution as well as the defense. Next question is, under Indian Evidence Act 1872, the rule of res gestae is applicable in, that is option C, civil as well as criminal cases. Next question is, in prosecution for an offence under section 376 of IPC, where the question of consent is an issue, it shall be permissible to adduce evidence or to put questions in the cross examination of the victim as to the general immoral character or previous sexual experience of such victim with any person for proving such consent of the quality of consent is provided in which section of the Indian Evidence Act. So answer is B, section 146 of the Indian Evidence. Next is, A puts his hands in the pocket of B for stealing money, but he found nothing in B's pocket as it was empty. A has committed an offence of, so answer is B, attempted to commit theft, punishable under 511 of the IPC. Under the Indian Penal Code 1860, which ingredient is not necessary to constitute an offence of abetment? So answer is D, act abetted should be committed. सो इसके लिए आप रेफर भी कर सकते हैं 107 IPC। Two persons A and B fight with each other. A was having a blade with which A inflicts injury on the face of B, leaving a permanent scar on the face of B. A is guilty of the offense of causing. Answer is A, grievous hurt by sharp cutting object. Next question is, in which of the section of the Indian Penal Code stalking of a woman by any man is punishable under? Option D, that is 354D. X finds a government promissory note belonging to C bearing a blank endorsement. X, knowing that the note belonging to C, pledged it with the banker as a security for loan, intending to restore it to C within a week. X is ऑप्शन होगा डी, दैट इज गिल्टी ऑफ क्रिमिनल मिसअप्रोप्रिएशन। ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज 58, that is A find the key to Y house door which Y had lost and commits house trespass by entering Y's house having opened the door with that key, which offense has A committed? तो A ने कौन सा offense commit किया है? आंसर इज D, that is house breaking। इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं 445 of the IPC। A prepares a mark sheet with an intention to get a job, thereby he committed the offense of forgery। Nothing is an offense which is done by a child who is under the age of 7 year of age। So answer is B। इसके लिए आप रेफर कर सकते हैं 82 IPC को। So the next question is, under the Indian Penal Code 1860, which what must be the age of a minor with regard to the offense of kidnapping from lawful guardianship? कितनी जो है एज होनी चाहिए? सो इसका आंसर है ए, दैट इज अंडर 16 ईयर एज ऑफ अ मेल और अंडर 18 ईयर ऑफ एज ऑफ अ फीमेल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, under the criminal procedure code 1973, if a person is arrested by police officer without warrant, whether such person has been admitted to bail or otherwise, the office in charge of the police station shall report to? Option is B, that is SDM, sub divisional magistrate only। Under criminal procedure code 1973, no court shall take cognizance of an offence punishable with fine only after the expiry of a period of 6 months, that is 6 months। 468 subclause 2A of the CRPC, which cannot tender pardon to an accomplice under section 306 of the Code of Criminal Procedure Code? The answer is D, that is executive magistrate। Next is, when can a trial court release an accused on bail under section 389 subclause 3 of CRPC after conviction? So answer is A, that is where accused is on bail and imprisonment is not exceeding 3 years। Next question is, under criminal procedure code 1973, summon case means a case relating to an offense of, so option is D, that is imprisonment which may extend to 2 years। An application filed under section 257 of the criminal procedure code is allowed, so the accused will be, option is D, that is executed 257 CRPC के according। On completion of investigation, the office in charge of a police station shall forward the police report under section 173 subclause 2 of the CRPC 2। So option is that is D, magistrate empowered to take cognizance of the offense। Next question is, under section 125 CRPC, a magistrate of the first class can order a person to make a monthly allowance for the maintenance of his, option is D, that is father। Under criminal procedure code 1973, what is the fact of trial conducted in wrong place? So answer is B, that is vitiate if caused failure of justice। Under the criminal procedure code 1973, whether an accused may be a competent witness in his own defense? So answer is A, that is on his own request in writing। Refer 315 CRPC। In order to rebut the presumption under section 130 and 118 of the Negotiable Instrument Act, accused क्या होगा? So answer is may rebut the presumption on the principle of preponderance of probability। Next question is, under Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, an instrument in writing containing an unconditional undertaking signed by the maker to pay a certain sum of money only to or to order of certain person or to the bearer of the instrument is a, so option is A, that is promissory note। Under section 143 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, the trial shall be made to conclude after filing of the complaint within 6 months. That is option C. Next question is, My Own Boswell is the autobiography of, so answer is Justice M. Hidayatullah. Next question is, who was the first Indian to receive a Nobel Prize? To receive Nobel Prize. So answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Next question is, in first battle of Panipat, Babur defeated which Lodhi ruler to establish Mughal dynasty in India? So answer is A, that is Ibrahim Lodhi. Which movement was launched along with the Khilafat movement? Answer is D, that is non-cooperation movement. Who is the first Prime Minister of India to address the British Parliament? So answer is D, that is Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi became the first Prime Minister of India to address the British Parliament. Next question is, Microsoft has selected which city for its pilot project in Digital India initiative? So answer is D, that is Varanasi. Who is also known as Chanakya? Who is also known as Chanakya? That is Vishnu Gupta, option B. Who among us the following is starting the Project Loon in India? That is option C, that is Google. National Legal Literacy Day is celebrated on, that is B, 9th November. Who built the Sanchi Stupa? Who built the Sanchi Stupa? So answer is D, that is Ashoka. Where is the Samadhi of Maharani Lakshmi Bai situated? Where is the Samadhi of Maharani Lakshmi Bai situated? So answer is Gwalior, D. So next question is, which site is not included in a World Heritage List? That is Marble Rocks, Jabalpur. In which district of MP birthplace of Chandra Shekhar Azad is situated? So answer is A, that is Alirajpur. Next question is, portrait and landscape are, answer is page orientation. Binary language consists of, answer is 2 digits. Which one of the following is not an operating system? Is not an operating system. So answer is word processor. Full form of URL is, full form of URL is, so option is A, Uniform Resource Locator. Next question is, which one works as an output and input device? That is option A, that is modem. A person who has committed such an dash crime must get the most severe punishment. So option is D, that is abominable. Next question, select the word which is most nearly the same in meaning word defiance. So answer is D, that is resistance. Next question is, select the word which is most nearly opposite in the meaning of the word forbid. That is B, allow. I didn't dash TV last night. So option is B, that is watch. Thank you so much.